Mosquitoes have been outsmarting billion-dollar bug spray companies for years, but they cannot handle what's sitting in your medicine cabinet right now. I'm talking about a little blue jar that your grandma swore by, and it turns out she was onto something scientists actually back up. Yep, Vicks. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you 3 ways to use it as a mosquito repellent that actually works. No chemicals, no DEET, no nonsense. So why does this work? It's not magic, it's chemistry. Vicks VapoRub contains 3 powerhouse active ingredients: menthol, camphor, and eucalyptus oil. Mosquitoes navigate almost entirely by smell, and these compounds are basically sensory overload for them. They smell this, and they go the other way. Fast. The best part? You probably already have it in your home, and if you don't, it's like $3. Let's get into it. So here are 3 methods you can use that will be a surefire way to get rid of those pesky mosquitoes. Method 1, and the simplest, just dab it directly on your skin. Focus on the spots mosquitoes love most: your ankles, wrists, behind the knees, and the back of your neck. You don't need much. A pea-sized amount goes a long way. It does leave a slight residue, so I'd skip this one if you're wearing your best outfit. But for a backyard BBQ, a camping trip, or a morning run, perfect. Pro tip, avoid your face, and if you have sensitive skin, test a small patch first. Menthol is potent. Method 2 is great for indoors, especially bedrooms at night. Take a bowl of hot water, scoop in a generous spoonful of Vicks, and let it dissolve. The heat releases the menthol and eucalyptus into the air, creating a vapor barrier that mosquitoes want nothing to do with. Pop this on your nightstand or in the corner of the room before bed. It basically doubles as a humidifier and smells amazing. You also use this liquid and pour this mixture into an empty mosquito repellent refill bottle. Take your refill and attach it to your mosquito repellent heater or adapter plug. Switch it on and let the Vicks solution do its magic. Method 3 is my personal favorite, a DIY repellent spray. Here's what you need: a small spray bottle, 1 teaspoon of Vicks VapoRub, warm water to dissolve it, about half a cup. And this is optional: a few drops of lavender or tea tree essential oil for extra punch. Mix the ingredients in a bottle. When you come to use it, shake it well before each use. Since Vicks is oil-based, it'll separate a bit. Then just spritz it on exposed skin or around your outdoor seating area. It smells incredible. It's light enough to use as a room or fabric spray, and it's completely free of synthetic chemicals. Honestly, I like the smell better than most store-bought repellents. So to recap, 3 easy ways to use Vicks as a mosquito repellent. Dab it on skin for on-the-go protection. Drop it in hot water to protect a whole room overnight. Or mix it into a spray for a versatile, great-smelling option. Try whichever one fits your situation and drop a comment below telling me which method worked best for you. I genuinely want to know. If this saved you from even 1 mosquito bite, smash that like button and subscribe, because I've got way more of these cheap, effective life hacks coming your way. See you in the next one on Make This Trap Once and Never Deal with Mosquitoes Again.